Welcome back to Amateur Outdoors. Today we have another unboxing. As you can see, we have Holtzman Gorilla Survival. So let's jump right into it. Okay, to help with the unboxing, we're going to use the Bloodline that we unboxed and reviewed previously on the channel. If you're interested in those, go back, take a look at those. That would be much appreciated. So cut the box on open here. Get rid of that pesky plastic. I always like these boxes. The silver on the black. They just look really good. But let's pop it open and see what we got inside. Okay, looks like we got thank you card, and we got the sheath adjustment guide, and how to put the clips on and all that stuff with the thank you. Okay, comes with a, looks like a belt clip, like a pocket clip for hanging it, carrying it in the pocket, all that good stuff. Comes with the gel pack, don't need that. Comes with the neck chain, grommets, and screws for the various attachments. Comes with the tool for all that. It's got the Allen and the Phillips, so we can get everything that we need attached to get attached. And that's got the sturdier belt clip, open and close, which is probably going to be the option that I go with, because I am going to EDC this probably for a while, and then do a bigger in-depth review on it as well. Throw that off to the side, and we've got a ferro rod, which is awesome to always have on you. I've just kind of been working my skills on using the ferro rod, so that'll come in handy for me. And then put that up there, and then the sheath. Kydex sheath with the holder for the ferro rod on it. Built-in sharpener, so you always have something to sharpen with. Got some cordage here that you can also use as the net for neck carry. And then, yeah, all the points for attaching clips. Now, let's get moving on to the thing that everybody came here for, right? The knife itself. So this is the main attraction. Boom. This is the baby Silverback, made with D2 steel. Oh my goodness. Black, and it's like a lime green. Does it look good on the camera? Yeah, it looks pretty good on camera. But this is exactly, I think, what I was looking for in a straight fixed blade. Small, compact. I've tried to carry the full-size Bloodline a little bit. It's just a little too much for like every day, but I take it fishing, and every time I'm going out just into the woods or on the water, I always take this with me too. Excuse me. But yeah, this is the baby Silverback. And I could not be more excited to have this in my collection. Let's see that. Whoa, that's pretty crisp. Yeah, so I'm gonna get it set up to how I like it. I'm gonna carry it and ooh, gotta work for it. That is no joke on the retention. Holy cow. I did not actually expect that. I know it's supposed to be a neck knife, so, you know, bouncing around, you don't want it falling out, but you have to actually pull. So, yeah, that's points to Holtzman for that. That is amazing. Sorry, I just bumped the camera. Well, I think that's about it. I am going to, like I said, run this as an EDC for a while. And you should hear back from me shortly. So, thanks for watching.